Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes to Code with your host Matthew C. Applegate. Today we are going to be looking at some examples in processing. I love using processing to help new programmers learn how to code. It's simple and it gives the coder almost immediate feedback, which allows them to better understand what the code is doing. If you don't already have processing, I recommend you pause the video and download it from the link below. Once you have processing set up, you're ready to begin. Processing is set up into two main areas, the setup area and the draw area. As the program is run, it jumps to the setup area and carries out those instructions first. It only does this once at the beginning of the program. After it has completed the instructions in the setup area, it moves on to the draw area. The draw area loops from top to bottom until the program is terminated. Let's check out the code for this example in more detail. Today we are going to create a generative piece of art that uses a random number of points on the screen and draws curved lines between them. The first command we issue is size 650 by 500, and this is the size of the application window, 650 pixels wide by 500 pixels high. The second and final command of the setup is Ellipse mode center. In processing, the default is to draw the shape at the coordinates from the top left to bottom right. By setting this to the center, we provide the coordinates and this will draw the shape around them. Now with our canvas set up, let's check out the draw area. The first command we issue is background 000. The three zeros are RGB values. 0 red, 0 green, and 0 blue gives us black, so this will make the canvas black at the start of each loop. The next command, stroke weight 2, makes the brush we draw with 2 pixels wide. This command, stroke random 255, random 255, and random 255, creates random red, green, and blue values and assigns it to the brush that draws the outline of the shape. While this command, fill random 255, random 255, random 255, and random 255, creates random red, green, and blue and opacity values and assigns it to the brush for the coloring of the centers of the shapes. The begin shape command tells processing we are now going to provide some coordinates for a shape. As we are going to create a random shape, we start a for loop which can provide up to 2,000 coordinates, with the for int I equals O to int random 2000. We then generate the random x and y coordinates with float x equals int random width and float y equals int random height. This basically creates two random numbers in integer format. We set those coordinates with curve vertex x, y. We also draw a circle at each of those coordinates using ellipse x, y, 30, 30. At the end, we then say end shape. And what this will try and do is to fill in the areas between the outlines where it is possible to do so. And finally, the last command is delay 3000. This is 3000 milliseconds. This tells the program to wait for 3 seconds before creating a brand new image. Be sure to tinker with the code. Change some of the examples. Make the screen bigger or smaller. Change the size of the brush. Even change the way the color is randomized for different results. Remember to take screenshots of your art and maybe try and recreate some of your work in the real world. I really hope you like what you have seen, and if you do, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you want more, be sure to check out the other videos in the series. There's lots of great examples to help you create computer art.